Hey guys, so in today's video, so this is obviously the long-awaited for my channel, or not really long-awaited, but recently long-awaited, I guess you could call it, channel, my Xbox One X unboxing. And before I get into anything, I'm going to give you guys some previews, not previews, but like what the Xbox One would look like, the normal, like, first Xbox One, compared to this thing. Now, the thing with this is that the Elgato can't really go that far. Like, you probably only see a few graphical differences from YouTube, but I can almost guarantee it that you'll see, let's say you get this thing, you'll see some graphical differences and all that jazz on your TV and stuff. The Elgato can only do 1080p, 30 frames per second, and you know, the Elgato can't do this justice. Let's just say that, you know. So I'm just driving around here, showing you guys some previews. I'm gonna do this on I'm gonna do GTA 5 and 2K, and then do for Xbox One, and then I'm going to do this, just scrolling on the dashboard because I have all my games downloaded, and that's take a long time to download. So yeah, let's go into 2K. Hey guys, so I'm back. So we're doing 2K right now. I'm still into a blacktop game. Just do Brook and Kuzma. I'm just do that, whatever. So not doing that, but basically, what I say for my GTA part, I don't know if I was this clear about it, but this will not speed up your internet speed. All it will do is speed up the gameplay speed, you know. Yeah, because I don't know if I was kind of clear on that. So again, I'll get about maybe another 30 seconds of 2K on Xbox One, original Xbox One, and then I'll cut to me unboxing this, and then probably dashboard speed after that, and then, you know, probably within maybe the next week or two, I'm going to but make a video on if it's worth it or not, because you know, I'm going to be playing an Xbox a lot, and, you know, it'd be a good review, you know, because it might not be worth it. I'm not sure. I mean, from what I hear, you know, there's graphical differences, there's, you know, speed differences than the original Xbox One, and well, yeah, I mean, yeah. So I'm just doing maybe another 10 seconds to this, and then I'm going to switch over to the unboxing, which you guys are probably waiting for. So yeah. Hey guys, so this is the unboxing part. So this is like take 2 of it. See, there's some tape things, and that's my shower point up, by the way, but there's some tape, like things that hold together, and it's a pain in the butt if you don't have scissors on you. So I recommend getting scissors if you unbox this thing, or when you unbox this thing if you're getting it. So yeah, let's just get right into it. Do they have Xbox Live Gold thing with this? Oh no, I heard that where I got this from off the Amazon. Not sponsoring Amazon, by the way, but that they have like a free Xbox Game Pass thing with it. I'm not sure if that's just a limited time deal, you know. But the first thing I'm gonna take away from this out of this package is what is this? Cables and the controller. If you guys are wondering, I'm not sure if the controller has let me just put this down. But I'm not sure if the controller has anything new with it. Not really that sure. No, it's just the same old stock controller. They do have batteries with it though. That's nice. Thank you, Microsoft. But there's cords, and then maybe more cords. But now for the Xbox, since I saw it right here, and I don't know why I didn't get it out first, but I mean, God, packaging. There we go. All right, so let's get this out of here, and then this is the way I came for. So let me slide this out of here. Slid. All right. Yeah, here's the Xbox One X. It's sorry about all the mess around here, but you know, it's unboxing. So it looks like it's significantly smaller than the original Xbox One. I'm not sure if it's bigger or smaller than the Xbox One S. This is like the S is like the Gen 1 of the Xbox One, if you want to call it like that, and this is like Gen 2. In my opinion, at least, because from all I hear from the Xbox One S, which I wouldn't get now, I would get this thing. is it's just smaller with a few graphical differences. I think. I'm not really sure on that, but this has everything with it. You know, smaller graphical differences and everything. So right here, if you see on the screen, it'll probably be just what's new about it. You know, like I think it's like about 1 terabyte hard drive and stuff like that. You know. So there's warnings in here. One good thing though is I heard that there's a little bump somewhere when you have to plug. I guess I took that off. Oh wait, no. For the HDMI out, there's little bumps. You know where you're putting in stuff. If you blindly put it in there, you know, just feel that little thing. You can feel it there. There's a little button right here. I'm not sure what that's for, to be honest with you. And then actually another thing too. If you guys have had the Xbox One, the original, as you might know, it's the wave. You have to wave your finger. This is actually a button, which is better because. At least my experience is, I would do that and it pick it up. So now just press it and it's good, you know. So yeah, I'm pretty sure this wraps it up. I mean, there's no other you know, stuff with it, just cords and yeah. And also one more thing too, before I end off and I'm show you guys the dashboards stuff, is with the Xbox One, you know, there's like a power brick and it's actually built into this. So it's pretty much just this and 2 cords, plus like maybe the cords that, you know, plug into my TV. But you know, it's pretty much, you know, light and easier to plug in than the Xbox One original. So yeah, I would recommend getting this. To be honest with you, with what I've seen, you know, with the differences from the Xbox One to the Xbox One S or X, sorry. I would definitely get this. Of course, it's $500, so I would, you know, maybe got it for Christmas or, you know, splurging for Easter or splurging for someone's birthday or just being nice one day, winning the lottery and getting it for your son or daughter or for yourself, you know, or your wife, whatever, you know. So yeah, I'm gonna plug this in now. Hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing. I'm just sorry it's kind of messy again. It's unboxing, I have to deal with it. And yeah, and actually one more thing too. The next shot you might see is me comparing it to the Xbox One. It'd be like the Xbox One is right here, and then you can see how big it is compared to, or small it is compared to the Xbox One. So yeah, guys, see you guys in a second. Hey guys, so yeah, we're back, and I'm playing GTA 5 right now, and so yeah, what I see immediately is once you get everything plugged in, which is actually not that much of a hassle. I mean, you just plug in a few things, you know, and it's fine. Is once you know go into the thing, right? Go into your My Games and Apps. If you have everything downloaded, everything's here. You can't say that it's going to be 5 minutes to download all 60 gigabyte games. You know, like I went to My Games and Apps and it was here. The only thing that wasn't here was like my Netflix and Twitch and YouTube. That's the only things that I don't understand why that wasn't there, but that was the only things that were there that weren't there. So you guys might see this a little bit, but there is definitely a graphical improvement to this. It looks a lot better, to be honest with you. And there's no CEOs in this lobby, which is at first, but yeah, I mean, there's definitely an improvement in graphics. Maybe not that much, but it's still a decent improvement, to be honest with you. So one more thing. The thing with the Xbox Game Pass, right? Which, by the way, there's a scratch up code right here and stuff. Which I would look into this if I were you guys. Is I'm not sure if you do this for a month and like on the month after the first day of the next month, you know, how that like would that charge to your PayPal, your credit card, how do you pay for your Xbox Live for that? You immediately charge for it, you know. So yeah, I mean it's something to look into. That's why I didn't get all this immediately because I was kind of scared of that. But yeah, I mean I think this is the thing with the Xbox One X. To be honest with you guys, is if you're a gamer like me that plays not a lot, but like a decent amount of the day, like when he's like off of school or sick, that plays video games, I would get this. This is a definite graphical improvement. Everything's better about it. You get 1 terabyte hard drive, which does fill up, by the way, a lot, really quickly. So I would recommend investing in a 1 terabyte hard drive plug-in All you do is just plug into the back of your Xbox. It's pretty easy. I do not know how much that is, so I'll look into it. I think it's around $50, $60, but it is worth it once you get, you know, what, 4 or 5 or 6 or 10 even more games to it to play. So yeah, this is the end of the long-awaited Xbox X review. Again, like I said earlier in the video, I make a like a buyer beware type thing with it. And you know, that probably be out. It's the 5th of January. Probably be out, you know, sometime between the 15th and the 20th, probably, I would think. So you guys like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what your opinions are on the Xbox X in the comment section down below. And peace out.
Hello friends, this is Joe Pillera Sr., his dad. Listen, we'd really like to take the time out, and I know you hear this all the time, but it really is true. I would like to take the time out to ask you to subscribe if you like this video. My son and I are both strongly considering doing things like using Adobe After Effects to add special effects and other types of really cool things to his future reviews. So click subscribe, and God bless you. Thanks for watching.